what is the average of 11 consecutive integers? So if I have 11 consecutive integers, and we might as well, let's write them all out. So this is not my set necessarily. These are just the terms in each of my set. So the first term, we will just call that x. So the second term is x plus 1 and x plus 2. So this is our set. It goes from x to x plus 10. It is a consecutive set. They're asking for the average, which is good because consecutive sets have special properties, which makes finding the average of them much easier. There are two ways we can find it. We know in consecutive sets, the mean is equal to the median. So here they're asking for the mean, which means if we can find the median, that is just as good. We also know that the mean for a consecutive set should just be equal to the first term plus the last term divided by 2. And so when this question here asks us for our average, what term is that? And so it looks like our median, we can split our set in half here, right? We got 5 terms to the left, 5 terms to the right. So this question is really just asking us, what is x plus 5? But it's data sufficiency. So if we're looking for x plus 5, we can really just say, we can rephrase our question as what is x? Which is the ultimate rephrase, in my opinion. The average of the first 9 integers is 7. Okay, so what is equal to 7 here? So the first 9 integers, that is still a consecutive set. Let me erase this box here so we can look at our first 9 integers. To the x plus 4 here. We got 4 terms to the left, 4 terms to the right. So this is telling us x plus 4 is equal to 7. It's good to solve for x. X is equal to 3. First statement is sufficient to say yes, or to say the average is equal to 3. The average of the last 9 integers is equal to 9. So once again, I can sort of see here this will be sufficient as well, because even before I actually solve it, I know I will be able to solve it. So statement 1, we said x was equal to 3. So we should get the same thing for statement 2. And so here we're just dealing with our final 9 numbers. And we know these are the average here is equal to 9. So what is the mean? This is still a consecutive set. So like x plus 6 is equal to 9, which once again gives us x is equal to 3. So each statement is sufficient. D is our answer.